Your AI can see a picture. But what if it could see the entire story unfolding within it, in real-time 3D? What if it understood not just what is moving, but how and why? Today, we're giving AI true spatial intelligence. Stay tuned. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Generative AI often sees the world as a collection of flat images, missing the crucial context of movement, depth, and interaction. This leads to generic outputs. But what if we could feed it a richer understanding of reality? We'll use the Pi3MOS SLAM repository to give our AI agent 3D vision, allowing it to interpret dynamic scenes with incredible detail. This Python agent will transform raw 3D data into rich narratives and valuable synthetic data, unlocking a new dimension of automated content creation. The Pi3MOS SLAM project on GitHub is a groundbreaking dynamic visual SLAM system. Unlike traditional methods that get confused by movement, it excels at tracking moving objects in real time, providing precise 3D bounding boxes, velocities, and labels. This rich, structured understanding of dynamic scenes is the perfect fuel to supercharge AI agents, allowing them to perceive and narrate the world with incredible depth and accuracy. To build this, we'll vibe code a dynamic scene interpreter agent in Python. We'll ask our AI to craft a script that simulates receiving detailed 3D SLAM data, then uses Google's Gemini to generate scene narratives, create synthetic data prompts, and even draft social media posts. The goal is to bridge the gap between raw 3D perception and creative AI output. First, we set up our environment and configure the Gemini API key. The key function here simulates the output from Pi3MOS SLAM, creating a detailed data packet with camera pose, dynamic objects like a person in an umbrella, their 3D positions, velocities, and the static environment context. This is the rich 3D information our agent will use. Next, we generate the scene narrative. This function takes the simulated SLAM data, formats it into a detailed prompt, and sends it to Gemini. We ask the AI to describe the scene from the camera's perspective, focusing on the dynamic objects and their movements. This turns raw numbers into a human-readable story. Now for the magic of data augmentation. This function focuses on a specific object from the scene, the person, and asks Gemini to generate 5 distinct prompts for a text-to-image AI. Each prompt subtly changes one aspect, like lighting or clothing, creating a diverse set of scenarios for synthetic data generation, saving time and money. Finally, we turn insight into action. This function takes the detailed narrative generated earlier and prompts Gemini to create a concise, engaging social media post. It summarizes the key event from the scene and adds relevant hashtags, demonstrating how this system can automate content creation for marketing and social engagement. And there you have it. By bridging the gap between 3D dynamic scene understanding from SLAM and the creative power of generative AI, we've gone from vague descriptions to rich, context-aware narratives and cost-effective synthetic data. This is how you give your AI true 3D vision, unlocking a new level of performance and content creation. Subscribe for more. Did you vibe code smarter today?